How to log out Facebook Messenger on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of Facebook Messenger on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you first, Facebook Messenger doesn't have a direct logout button on Android, so we will use Facebook app settings. So here simply open the Facebook app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and privacy, simply scroll down and tap on see more in account center. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on password and security. And now here in this section, you just have to tap on the option that says where you are logged in. And now here, you just have to select your Facebook account. And with that, on the new page, you just have to look for the Messenger session. It may say something like Messenger on Android or show your devices. So here, you just have to tap on it, and after that you just have to tap on logout, and this will log you out of Messenger on your Android devices. And here, if you want to ensure Messenger is fully logged out, then you can simply go to back on the menu page, and here you just have to long press on the Messenger app icon, and here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here, once you are inside the Messenger app settings, you just have to tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you just have to tap on clear all data. Now note that this will remove your Messenger login locally, but your messages are still safe on Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can log out of Facebook Messenger on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.